Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this very beautiful coily wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful short wig. If you know me, you know I rather prefer short wig, especially since we're getting into summer and you know the weather is always hot, so you just want something short and simple to just put on and off you go. This wig is from Lush Wig hair company. I'm going to put all the specs and the links and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below, so you guys can see this wig is absolutely beautiful. Like the lace they used to make the wig is amazing. Like it melts into my skin color. Like seriously, I absolutely love it. It looks so natural, as you guys can see. I just applied a little bit of got glue gel on the side of the wig, not really much on the front of it. I wanted to do like the baby hair thing, but I decided not to do it because it actually looks more natural, more beautiful like this, as you guys can see. So as you guys can see, the curl is very beautiful. I just fluffed it out with my finger and I was able to get a fuller look. If you want the coils to be, you know, smaller, like, or shrink a little bit, you can spray water on it, and when you spray water, you apply a leave-in conditioner on it, and it's going to give you like a more wetty, kind of coily, smaller kind of look. But this is the look I'm going for, and I absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So it came with this wig cap and this comb, and then this false lashes and some hair clips. So this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see that the coils are absolutely beautiful. They're so tight, and the lace is bleached, so which makes the work easier. So right here, I'm just gonna brush my hair all to the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. So after putting on the wig, I'm gonna secure it properly with a band at the back. Then I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit with my fingers. Show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Say, girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say, girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So after that, I'm gonna take a little bit of got glue gel and apply on both sides of the wig, and then I'm gonna spray the face spray and then let it dry. So right here I'm just trying to create the pattern. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it to properly secure the wig. I'm gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, I'm gonna take it out. As you guys can see, the lace on this wig blends perfectly with my skin color. So right here, I'm just gonna do like a little bit of baby hair. It's totally optional.
Slow down, girl. Hold on, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
After that, I try to tie a scarf on it. I just leave it for like a few minutes and then I'm gonna take it out.
You are murder me. You are murder me. You are murder me. So make you give them, girl.
So right here, I've taken out the scarf. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of water on the hair. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit of leave-in conditioner.
I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to...
So eventually I decided to comb out the front part like so. I believe it looks more natural this way. And you guys can see the way it looks. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks so natural. And the coils are absolutely beautiful as well. So I went ahead to spray more water on it because I want the coils to pop very well. And that's it, guys. As you guys can see, I'm in love with this wig. It's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.